This video represents how to properly level the build plate with respect to the Ultimaker 2 printer that is part of the Lafayette College Additive Manufacturing Institute. After a lot of printing, or if the printer has been moved around, the build plate inside the printer may become unleveled. A build plate that is not level can cause issues during printing, such as causing the object to become unattached from the bed during printing. If the object detaches during printing, or if the printer has recently been relocated, there are steps to re-level the build plate. First, on the display screen, select Maintenance and then Build Plate. This will start a series of steps on the screen to follow. Click Continue. Next, the build plate will rise closer to the nozzle. Rotate the button until the nozzle is approximately 1 millimeter away from the build plate. The nozzle and the build plate will not be exactly 1 millimeter apart, but try to make it as accurate as possible before pressing Continue. The nozzle will then move to the left corner of the build plate. Using the screw located under the plate, adjust the height of the build plate until this corner is about 1 millimeter away from the nozzle. Rotating the screw to the left will move the build plate closer to the nozzle, while rotating to the right will move it further away. Click Continue, and the nozzle will move to the right corner of the build plate. Repeat the same adjustment that was done for the left corner until it is about 1 millimeter away from the nozzle. The display will then indicate that a piece of paper is needed for the following steps. With a piece of paper on hand, click Continue. The nozzle will be in the first position in the middle back of the printer. Slide the piece of paper under the nozzle and turn the screw underneath that area until there is a small amount of resistance when trying to slide the paper. Click Continue and repeat this step for the left and right corners. The build plate should now be level. To learn more about the operation of the Ultimaker 2 printer, watch the related videos on the Lafayette AMI YouTube channel.